I'm Lauren Reese, and it's Flyer Monday. Looking for events to go to? Check out these BGSU events. It's Media Career Week. Are you under a major in the Media and Communications department and are looking for a job or internship? The virtual Media Career Week starts on Monday, March 29th through Friday, April 2nd. Check your emails or reference the event calendar to see which alumni and employers are speaking. Enroll in Fall 2021 classes. Registration for fall classes open this week. Contact your advisor if you have questions about which day you enroll. The Center for Women and Gender Equity is accepting donations for the Forge Menstrual Drive starting March 1st through the 31st. Drop your items off at their office at 280 Hayes Hall all month. Be sure to leave your name and email for a chance to enter a raffle to win a Diva Cup. The Undergraduate Symposium on Diversity will be held virtually on Monday, March 29th at 9 a.m. Keynote speaker Kahani Begum will be speaking at this event. The Tunnel of Oppression series begins on Tuesday, March 30th through April 2nd. Learn about diversity, power, and privilege through this week-long series in 308 of the Student Union. Check the event calendar for details on events each day. Discuss the transition about college with recent alumni. The Fly Falcon Fly alumni panel will take place on Wednesday, March 31st at 7 p.m. virtually. Take a virtual tour of the BG Recycling Center, courtesy of the Wood County Solid Waste Management District on Thursday, April 1st. Meet a friend fast. Participate in the LGBTQ+ Speed Friending event on Thursday, April 1st from 5 to 6:30 p.m. Meet other students in the community and make a friend. Who doesn't love a virtual watch party? The Center for Public Impact is hosting a virtual watch party showing the documentary At Home on Friday, April 2nd. Snacks will be provided before the event in 100 University Hall. You won't want to miss these events. Stay up to date on all the events happening on campus by visiting the BGSU event calendar. And remember, stay tuned for Flyer Monday videos every Monday.